Hi there, it's Alistair at Tregoad Holiday Park. I wanted to bring you for a wander around this fantastic one-off lodge that we have available on this wonderful end location development overlooking the woodland and down into the valley below. So let's go and take a wander around. So the first place we come to is this fantastic lounge through the bifold doors, which you open right out. This is 20 feet wide, so there's absolutely loads of room inside. So we've got this really lovely lounge area. Now it's a sunny day today, but in the winter time, this lodge is perfect for cuddling up with a hot chocolate, chilling out, unwinding, and enjoying the Cornish beaches with the storms. As well as that, during the sunshine, it's absolutely amazing. This one's west facing, so it gets amazing sunsets off of it too. So we've got this lovely wood burning effect fire and a really nice big fire surround as well. So coming through to the kitchen, we've got breakfast bar just here, perfect for a bacon sandwich in the morning. And this one is actually fully equipped. So comes with an integrated fridge freezer, comes with an integrated microwave, and then it's got a dishwasher and a washing machine in it too, so fully kitted out. We've also got a 5-ring burner, so perfect for when you've got guests over or if you're cooking a Sunday roast. So we've got this fantastic bathroom just here, really modern, really well fitted out. So it's got a bath, an overhead shower, really nice big sink and vanity unit too. So we've got this huge bedroom just here, perfect for your guests, 3-foot beds, loads and loads of space. Views out into the wildflower banks, which Tregoad is surrounded by as well. So lots and lots of space. This one's fully central heated too, so you find radiators in each room as well. There's also a lovely big wardrobe too. And then through to the master bedroom. As you can see, this goes all the way across the back of the holiday home, so you've got a fantastic bedroom suite in this one. Lovely big bed, great place to chill out. And then we've got lovely big wardrobe there, chest of drawers as well, and a fabulous shower room too. Plenty of room for when you've got guests over, you've got your own private space just to be able to chill out and relax in your own comfort. So just moving outside, we've got this wonderful utility room, which is so handy. So there's a place to be able to come and take your boots off, place to hang your jackets after all the walks that Tregoad's got. So what better way to unwind of an evening with a glass of Prosecco and come and chill out in your own hot tub. What a fantastic place. It's a place where you can actually have a look out at the stunning views that Tregoad's got to offer. As I mentioned earlier, this is a one-off lodge with this absolutely fantastic view out into the woods. So if you're interested in this or any other of our fantastic holiday homes, you're more than welcome to click the link in the description, or you're more than welcome again to give us a call 01503 390 004.